Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to explore how to install and set up add-ons in WhatsJet. Let's get started. Add-ons enhance the functionality of a platform by providing additional features. They improve user experience, offer personalization, and integrate with other systems. Now, we will see how to install and set up add-on. Click on Configuration and select the add-ons. To add a new add-on or update existing, click on the Update Existing or Install New Add-on button. Here, select and upload the add-on zip file, then click the Install button to install the new add-on or update existing. To complete the setup, click on the Setup and Details button. After clicking on Setup and Details, you will be redirected to the add-on license information page. For Envato license verification, enter the email address used for your Envato account. Enter your Envato buyer username and the purchase code. Now, click on the Request Verification button. Once the verification is complete, the add-on setup will be completed. After completing the add-on setup, your added add-on will appear under the subscription plan in the feature items, where you have the option to turn it on or turn off, for the subscription plan as per your choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the button and turn on the notification bell. See you soon.